I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. In this video, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone watching my videos and talk a little bit about how I believe investing in real estate really can be a great opportunity for anyone. Owning real estate and being a landlord isn't easy, and it is a lot of work, but I really love how it doesn't need to be overcomplicated, and in my opinion, it is the great equalizer. What I mean by that is it doesn't matter where you went to school, who your family is, where you were born, or what you've done in your life. Being a landlord essentially puts us all on the same level. Yes, some of you may be starting to learn with your first property or about to buy your first one, but even the more experienced among us started in the exact same place with our first deal. Whether you're starting out with a $1 million 4-unit building or a $50,000 2-bedroom home, we are all essentially doing the same thing. Searching and selecting a property to purchase, managing tenants and the property, reviewing tenant applications, writing leases, financing and refinancing, repairing and renovating, plus all the other ancillary tasks that come with it. Yes, our portfolios and tenants are different, along with local laws, but we are all essentially doing the same thing all over the world. I don't mean to sound corny about this, but really, just about anyone that wants to do it can become a landlord. Being a landlord requires you to manage your property and take care of your tenants, who are essentially your customers buying the product you are selling, which is housing. I know this may sound a little kumbaya and all, but I think it's important to step back and notice that real estate is a business that is surprisingly accessible to most people, and it can truly be a path to financial independence. This isn't a get-rich-quick program. It takes a lot of hard work and some money to do it. It doesn't happen overnight, but the path is there, and it doesn't take a college degree or millions of dollars to start. I'm not saying real estate is without risks, because there are many, but it also comes with incredible opportunities that just about anyone can access. And today, there are so many free resources to learn about real estate. You can learn just about anything on YouTube or just by searching for it on the internet. It may not be 100% accurate, but if you read or watch a few videos on the same topic, you should become educated enough to move forward. And in real estate, you'll really do a lot of your learning by doing it. Just don't try to do anything with regard to legal documents without the help of an attorney. Or just don't take advantage of your tenants and you should be fine. So watch some videos. Personally, I'd recommend starting with mine and then get out there and find a property to buy. I'll work on more videos to help you along the way, but there's no time like the present to get started. Don't let your excuses or the naysayers stop you. Real estate and housing isn't a fad, it's a basic need. I'm not advocating risky loans or speculative investing. I'm just saying to search in your area for an undervalued home. Maybe do some light rehab and rent it out. You'll grow from there. But you've just got to get out there and start. I know it isn't for everyone, but if you've stuck with me till now, I know you're thinking about it. So keep learning and hopefully you'll build up the courage to take the leap. Good luck. I know you can do it. I hope you enjoyed watching my honest and hopefully a little inspirational real estate message. If you'd like to hear more from me, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell. Please like this video and leave me any comments about this topic or anything else real estate related, or if you just have some questions, send them to me as well. Thank you for watching Kenton Knows.